po for that question, no? If there is a vision din kung paano sila mapapasing, I think it's very fitting na simulan natin sa kung anong platform yung ipaprovide natin for these young kids. Kasi mahirap din naman talaga at this day and age of social media, we believe na medyo, I don't know if this is a millennial thing or the other generation things pa na naiispatan ang mga talent sa mga malls, whatever, kung saan man sila pwede makita para lang talagang sumikat. Pero at this point, we are targeting na magkaroon muna ng platform. And this is Fire Squad, para at least this kind of platform may pakita natin sa social media. We want to make it viral and also moving forward, and aspirations as well, na may mga media outlets din na makakita how talented these young kids are.
Okay. Thank you.
I can also ask the kids if you want to ask the kids.
Sensor po ito from check. Net 25. Net 25 years po. My questions goes to some of the kids. Apo. So sino man po yung pwede sumagot kahit at least tatlo. What can you say na edge ninyo sa mga kids right now na maaari nyong maipakita sa buong mundo? Yung edge ninyo, kasi napakarami na rin mga child actors and actors right now.
Gagawin nila ang lahat.
Yung anong meron kayo na maaari nyong ipakita sa buong mundo na hindi natin nakikita sa ibang mga young actors and actresses right now?
Sa mga young, sa mga child stars.
Hirap naman. Ano ba yung mga nila? Ang
There's something wrong talaga sa microphone.
I can show to the world that I can sing and dance.
Oh. How about others? Like Rob.
I can show the world that I can sing and dance.
I can show the world, the universe rather.
Wala bang may ibang talents? It's very simple.
My acting and my confidence. I want to inspire them.
There's someone to add on pa or okay?
For me po, I think hosting as TV shows now on mostly adults po nag-host. So I feel like hosting kids that host kid show is something that I can show to the world.
Thank you. Miss Claire Mateo.
Wow, ito talaga.
Wala ng boses eh.
Para sa mga big boss po, how many talents are we looking at today dito sa Fire? Ilan po silang lahat? Ilan po silang lahat?
Sorry,
Mga talents?
how many talents sila?
Yes.
I'm not sure. Sir, how many talents? At least I think 60 talents, which is sila, rotating talents sila for the show.
Ang dami.
Yeah.
Okay. Ang tanong ko para sa inyong dalawa, and I'll play the devil's advocate here. Kasi what we are looking at now are young children, minors, di ba? So, pwedeng malaman po, para rin sa kapakanan ng mga magulang, kung ano yung laman ng kontrata na pipirmahan nila. Opo. Kung ilang taon, ilang projects, meron na ba? More or less, kung ano yung pipirmahan ng mga bata today.
Siguro, that's something that we cannot really disclose entirely, but to answer one of the questions, like the duration, as it's a year, and then siya,
yung pinaka matagal o sandaling kontrata po, how many years?
Yung pinaka-maikli is 1 year.
1 year, 1 year naman.
Then renewable.
So, nakaplano na po ba kung saan ilalagay lahat ng talents? Meron na po bang?
Yes. Yes.
shows.
The segments, everything po is well coordinated.
Napasok na po sa lahat ng mga kailangan, mga live networks, gano'n. So, sino po ang mga, kumbaga, yung frontliners ng mga talents nyo? Meron na po ba?
Frontliners, really, we wouldn't want to say or name anyone who's gonna be the frontliner. Because again, all of these kids po are equally talented. Kaya po sila nandito today kasi they have something to offer in their own unique way. So wala tayong parang main host or main cast. As I mentioned earlier, mag-rotate sila per episode. Yan sila.
Isa pa po, isa na lang. Saan po nag-originate yung plano nyo to have these kids? Kasi kami po may pinanggagalingan, marami rin kami nakilala ng mga grupo na nag-put up ng ganitong setup ng mga talents pero walang nangyari sa mga bata. So ngayon ang gusto lang namin malaman kung ano nga po ang mga, paano talaga, paano nabuo? Bakit nyo gustong gumawa ng ganito, ng Fire Squad artists?
Ayun. Well, kasi po, si Fire Squad actually originated from our talent center, which is Fire Talent Academy. So from there, we were able to select kids kasi when we started way back in 2023 sa SM Mega Mall, marami nang dumaan sa aming talents. With the likes of, for example, si Anika ko ng Minimiss You. Actually, marami kami mga talents na dumaan sa Minimiss You. Aside from si Sofia ng The Voice, ayan. So, kumbaga, may mga dumadaang talents, but the thing is, kailangan din talaga nila ng help. Kumbaga ng support, kasi hindi lang magulang, kailangan it should be a combination of kagustuhan ng parents, ng talents, and also ng producers, kami, ng team namin. So, nung nakahanap kami, nakatagpo kami ng mga parents, talents, na gusto itong project namin, doon kami nag-decide. Kaya,
so basically, it is a heartbeat ng ating mga Fire parents who are really, really supportive sa lahat po ng mga shows na ginanap at ginawa na in-organize ng Fire Talent Academy sa iba't ibang mga malls since I guess 2023. So, it's a heartbeat ng ating mga parents na talagang mabigyan ng pagkakataon itong mga talented kids natin ng kakaibang klase ng platform. That's why we came up for a show where they can really express who they are and ipakita kung anong klaseng talent meron talaga. And I think it's about time to really celebrate wonderful talents of Gen Alpha at this point. And I think excited din kami na maipakita din yun sa mas marami pang audiences.
Okay, thank you very much po. Siyempre, we all want these dreamers ma-achieve yung mga pangarap nila. Like kanina, may nakausap na kami, like si Rob, nakausap na namin. And I also talked to these twins here.
Twins, yeah.
Di ba nakakatuwa din sila. Talagang maganda yung mga nila mga kids kasi may mga talent talaga lahat. And congratulations po.
Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening. Maligis po sa atin. Tanungin natin yung mga bata kung sino yung mga paborito ng artista o gusto nyo makatrabaho at bakit.
Hello po, ako si Brielle. At 8 years old po ako. Yung favorite artista ko po yung Manabini po.
Bini daw. Bini raw.
Do you have a bias sa Bini? Who's your favorite member in Bini? Si Bini Maloy. Okay. Thank you so much, Ben. What's it called?
My idol is SB19. Oh, my name is Cody Pen Montalban. I'm 11 years old.
Hi po, I'm Antara Bagotchay. I'm already 12 years old. And yung favorite ko po na artista is si Coco Martin. And I want to work with him po because I really admire his talent. And sobrang galing niya po na director. And I want to be like him po. He's my inspiration po. Yun po. Thank you po.
Hello po, I'm Rob Selajes. I'm 13 years old and yung idol ko po is si probably Joshua Garcia. Kasi while he plays his roles, he's like, parang andun po talaga siya. Like, he's very lively, he plays his roles very lively, and I heard, tas nakikita ko sa kanya na he's very humble despite his success, as I'm inspired by.
Kaya po si Tito Fiona ng pangalan ko. I'm 6 years old. Hi, I'm Tito Fiona ng Alam, and I'm 6 years old, and I admire Sabrina Carpenter because she's a singer and also an actress, and I also want to be like a singer.
Sabrina Carpenter. Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Aka, and my favorite idol is Dara.
Nagka-boses mo. Yun. Sino daw mas? Yun no, si Tera ng Encantado.
Tera ng Encantado. Tera.
Tera.
Hi, I'm Eva Adriana. I am 11
Si Tera,
years
si
old.
Sam.
My idol is Ariana Grande because I really like her music and she also inspires me.
Hello po, I'm Alicia Kay Candelio Abinaria, and I'm 8 years old. Ang favorite ko pong artista is si Catherine Bernardo po, kasi po fish po siya, tsaka po maganda.
Ay, wag.
Hello po, ako po si Rusty Yopi de la Cruz, 11 years old. Ang idol ko po din is also si Coco Martin po din.
Kasi ano talaga siya sa masa. Kay Coco. Lalo sa mga...
Hello po, good evening po.